In order to get a high score in the Ielts writing test, you need to understand its structure, the skills required, and have strategies to answer the different types of questions. In this video, I cover all the basic information you need to know. Here's an outline of what we'll be covering: the format of the test, which test to choose, academic or general training, skills assessed, and the marking criteria. First, the format of the test. The writing test has two parts, Task 1 and Task 2. Task 2 contributes twice as many marks to the overall score as Task 1. For Task 1, you must write a minimum of 150 words, and for Task 2, the minimum word count is 250 words. Task 1 should take you around 20 minutes and Task 2 around 40 minutes, making a total test time of 60 minutes. There are two versions of the writing test, academic and general training. Task 2 is the same for both tests, but Task 1 is different. The main difference is in the style of question and the type of language required to answer it. We'll look at the details in the next few slides. In academic writing Task 1, you'll be presented with one of the following: a bar chart, a line graph, a table, a pie chart or a diagram. You're required to describe, summarise or explain the information in your own words. For example, you may be asked to describe and explain data, describe the stages of a process, describe how something works, or describe an object or event. In General Training Task 1, you're required to write a letter requesting information or explaining the situation in relation to a specific circumstance. The letter must be in the style appropriate to the situation. If writing to someone you know, it will be formal. For a friend or close family member, your language should be informal. Task 2 is the same for both the academic and the general training test. You must write a short essay of at least 250 words on a topic of general interest. The essay will be a response to a specific point of view, problem or argument that will be stated in the question. Your essay should be written in a formal style. So, which version of the writing test should you take? Ielts Academic is required by universities and professional registration bodies. You should take the academic test if you want to apply for a place at a university or other higher education institution in an English-speaking country or in a non-native English-speaking country where courses are taught in the English language. Ielts Academic is also generally preferred by professional bodies in English-speaking countries and required for registration. This is particularly the case in fields such as medicine, nursing, pharmacy, accounting, engineering, law and teaching. Ielts General is for people wanting to work in or emigrate to the UK, Ireland, Australia, Canada or New Zealand. It's widely accepted for visa and employment applications, education at high school level, and non-academic training such as practical vocational courses. Next, you need to know what skills you'll be assessed on. The Ielts writing test is designed to assess your ability in a wide range of skills, including writing an appropriate response, the organisation of ideas, and the accuracy and range of your vocabulary and grammar. The assessment criteria for any specific essay will depend on the type of task you are asked to complete, but the next few slides contain a general overview of the different tasks. Your academic Task 1 essay will be assessed in relation to your ability to achieve one or more of these criteria. Organise, present and possibly compare data, describe the stages of a process or procedure, describe an object or event or sequence of events, or explain how something works. Your general training Task 1 letter will be assessed on your ability to achieve one or more of these criteria. Elicit and provide general factual information, express needs, wants, likes and dislikes, or express opinions, for example views or complaints. For the Task 2 essay, there are slightly different assessment criteria for the academic and general training tests. For Task 2 academic, your essay will be assessed on your ability to achieve one or more of the following: present a solution to a problem, present and justify an opinion, compare and contrast evidence, opinions and implications, evaluate and challenge ideas, evidence or an argument. While for Task 2 general training will be assessed on your ability to achieve one or more of these criteria: outline a problem and present a solution, present and justify an opinion, evaluate and challenge ideas, evidence or an argument. Finally, we come to the marking criteria. As with the other three sections of the Ielts exam, speaking, reading and listening, the writing test is marked according to 4 criteria. These are task achievement, which is how well you respond to the task; coherence and cohesion, your ability to present a well-structured essay; lexical resource, your ability to use a range of vocabulary and to use it correctly; and grammatical range and accuracy, which is your ability to use grammar correctly and to use a range of grammar forms. Each carries 25% of the marks. Knowing what you'll be assessed on will help you to give the examiner exactly what they're looking for. I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in another one again soon. Bye for now.